Hello, year one, and welcome to your last ICT lesson of this half term. Now, first, I have to apologize because it seemed like last week when I wrote down all those sets of instructions on how to follow the map, I wrote some of them wrong. Oh no! Well, that means that you'll all be a pro at today's lesson because our learning objective today is, can I debug an algorithm? What does that mean? Let's have a check. So, can I debug an algorithm? So again, our topic is computing and we are learning about algorithms and programming. Now, unfortunately, we don't have the toys, the B-bot to put in the algorithm to make it move. Maybe we'll have a chance to do that when we return to school. But we're just looking at algorithms, looking at the set of instructions that we have to put something in motion. Now, before we start, I would like to see, does anybody know who this is? Well, if you're in Hopper class, I hope you do remember, this is Grace Hopper, and this is who Hopper class is named after. Now, Grace Hopper was an American mathematician, a computer scientist, and a high-ranking officer in the US Navy. She helped create the first commercial electronic computer. So that's why we have her as Hopper, because she was an amazing woman who helped invent the first computer. Now, our objective is to try and debug an algorithm. What does that mean? Well, it comes from Grace Hopper. When she was working on Mark II computer at Harvard University in 1947, she discovered a moth. So kind of like a butterfly, a moth was stuck in the switch. So every time they tried to go through the program, this moth was kind of stuck on the computer and it wouldn't work. So neither Grace Hopper or her crew, they didn't mention the phrase debugging in all their logs when they were doing all of their creating of the computer. But for many years, the term bug has been used in engineering. So we might use the word bug, like, oh, I've got a bug in my program, which means something isn't quite working. So our learning objective is, can I debug an algorithm? So what I have here is I have this program. Can you debug the program? Is this how you get to the forest? So I've got to set an algorithm here and I need to debug it. That means I need to go through and find the mistake, find the problem. So let's follow and see what the problem is. So it says forward 1. There we go. Left turn. Forward 2. 1, 2. Left turn. Forward 1. Sorry. Oh. Forward 1. Left turn. Forward 2. Oh dear. Is that how I get to the forest? I've come back to where I've started, haven't I? Let's try that again. Forward 1. Ching. Left turn. Doop. Forward 2. Ch, ch. Left turn. Doop. Forward 1. Doop. Left turn. Doop. Forward 1. Forward 2. Oh, so there's definitely a problem with my program, isn't there? Can you figure out what it is? What's the problem with my algorithm here? Well done. If I heard you say yes, at the bottom, it shouldn't be forward 2. It should be forward 1, shouldn't it? So that is what it should be. So I found my bug. I found the problem with my program. I have put FD1 instead because FD2 was the wrong one. So what I've got for you today, I've got 4 algorithms, and I want you to program my algorithm and find my mistakes. So let's do number 1 together. So I'm saying number 1 will get me to the rocks. So let's try it. Backwards 1. Oh, backwards 1. Oh, can you see my mistake already? Can I go backwards off a map? No. So right away, I need to change that to forwards 1, don't I? So let me just change the color so we can see the corrections that we've done. Okay, forward 1, let's check. Turn left, perfect. Here we go. Forward 2, 1, 2. Turn right. Forward 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn left. Forward 1. I've made it to the rocks. Yes. So I have found my bug. I found my problem. So I had to change the first instruction. So what I would like you to do is with the other 3, I would like you to follow along and see if you can find the mistakes, find the bug in my algorithm. So can you debug my algorithm? So what I would like you to do is then write numbers 2, 3, and 4, and the one that you've changed, the part that you've changed, can you underline it so I can see what part of my algorithm you have changed? And then when we get back to school, hopefully we'll have a chance to use some of the B-bots, and we can put these instructions, these algorithms, and we can watch it move, we can program it. So good luck. I hope you can find the bugs in my program, and you can be like Grace Hopper and you can debug them to make them work correctly. Okay, bye.